As you all know, some of the state governments have complained that governors are withholding or delaying the assent to the bill. As a result of this, a two-judge bench of Supreme Court under Article 142, which is used to ensure complete justice, has prescribed the deadlines for governor and president to grant assent to the bills. And Supreme Court has also introduced the concept of deemed assent for the bills for which the governors are delaying for indefinite period of time. But recently, Supreme Court has reversed its previous judgment. The President of India under Article 143, which is used for presidential assent, has asked few questions to the Supreme Court. Under Article 143 Clause 1, it's not important for Supreme Court to provide opinion to the President. But if that matter is related to something before the enactment of the Constitution, then the Supreme Court has to provide opinion to the President. And it's totally on the President of India to accept the opinion of the Supreme Court. So basically, the main questions were two: the concept of the deemed assent and the right of the Supreme Court to prescribe deadlines to Governor and President of India. So a five-judge bench of Supreme Court, that was the Constitution bench, have given its judgment, and the judgment is no, the Supreme Court cannot prescribe deadlines for Governor and President of India to grant assent to the bills. Also, Supreme Court has said that if Supreme Court is doing so, then it will be the violation of separation of powers, because under Article 200, only three things are prescribed. The governor can grant assent to the bill, the governor can withhold the assent to the bill or return the bill to the state legislature, or the governor can reserve the bill for president consideration. So no fourth point is mentioned. That's why Supreme Court can also not add anything extra. Also, Supreme Court has said that it is unconstitutional to do so. So what are your views on this decision? How will it affect India's federalism? Please let me know in the comment section. And please tell me that what are the minimum number of judges required to establish a constitutional bench. And please note 4 articles, that is Article 200, 201, 143 and 142. These are very important for prelims and can be asked in next prelims. Thank you.